just in case they leave early. 2:41. Yeah, we might do it. But guys, this weather looks really good and it feels good too. 2:34 p.m. we'll be there. I better not hear no community gangster. Anything? Sounds like thunder rays. I better not hear no. There we go. We have activity. We have activity. We have activity. This is a reload. I told you, this is a reload. On command signal while glancing down on my phone. Instructions given on command signal. Instructions given on command signal. I run for the money. I run for the money. Community gang stalking in the background. Community gang stalking in the background. I run for the money. You can go to the voice here, guys. This is Thomas's show officials working on a harassment case against me. Who is harassing whom? That's what I was looking at. Open for business. There we go. There we go. Let's see more. This individual is constantly changing his vehicles, and he usually parks blocking the fire hydrant, but I guess that's the reason he's been instructed otherwise. He's making periodic deliveries of narcotics. If you guys see this vehicle, please notify your local state police department. It's that easy. See that? There's a reward, of course. There's a reward. The new administration in the White House is cracking down on narcotics. All right, we have the individual on command signal. 5130 West 24th Street, Laramie, Cicero, Illinois, 6004. Instructions are being given periodically. 4:57 p.m. Thursday, January 8th, 2026. A little community gang stalking. And that's the reason for provoked confrontation. The individual was instructed to provoke a confrontation in charge of 5132. Right there. See that? The gray truck. And we have the cloth we are marked right here. See that? This is after Tennessee official provoked confrontation and police officer provoked confrontation, and the mob plan hits again. The mob plan hits again, guys. With second character witnesses among her co-workers, Board of Education, District 99, female employee. All right. Trafficking, distribution, and packaging of the white envelopes involving children. Hawthorne track race horses, senior citizens, migrants, fire department, paramedics, judges, individual reporters, unnecessary officials, the mail carrier. The list goes on and on. A lot of people involved, guys. All right. 5130. That's the reason for the brain attacks, as a distraction, as a deterrent, and the military-grade technology internet connection disabled and failed uploads. See that? This is what this is about. This is the reason for all that, the game of manipulation. All right, moving on. State insurance policy fraud, identity theft, Medicaid, no witnesses. That's right, no witnesses. This individual is constantly changing vehicles to avoid our surveillance, and that's his wife right there. She's waiting for her turn as well. Please contact Child Protective Services, as you know, we need all the government agencies on board. And please contact Internal Revenue Services, the IRS. Posted date January 8th, 2025. And obviously it's another year now. 4:59 p.m. Thursday, January 8th, 2026. All right, Internal Revenue Services is the way to go, and Child Protective Services, guys. Okay. It just got real quiet. And it's going to get quieter, too. All right, moving on.